Who here doesn't feel the gap between what they know God wants them to be and what they are? Who here doesn't feel the weight of the separation between what they should be and what they actually are? In so many ways. And if you're going to wait on the sideline until you're everything that God wants you to be because you don't want to step out and serve God with the weight of that gap, you will not experience God's highest and best plan for your life. God has a plan for every person. God has a very powerful plan for every person here. In Jeremiah 29 it says, I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. So many of you already have some installments in this. Things the Lord's done for you. Miracles that God's done in your life. Provisions, healings, incredible things, changing people's lives, saving family members, awesome things that God has seen you done. Now listen to me. You got to start working on your story. There's some chapters in your book now, bro. All right? Sister, God's done some things for you, and that's your story. You don't deserve to be where you are, and you're not there because of your own strength. God has intervened. God has answered some prayer. God has kept you going. God has kept your faith strong. God has saved your marriage. God has brought your children home. God has turned those test results around. God has done some things for you. That's your miracle. That's your story. That's what you get to tell. You say, well, I want some more stories. Awesome. Get some more stories. God is at work in your life.